everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 73 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is how to deal with stress. So let's start. So in our daily life, stress is a part of our life. Whether we are students, whether we are youngsters, whether we are professionals, we all face stress in our life. So first let us understand what is stress and why does it occur. So stress is our body reactions when it got some deadline or got some pressure. It creates a stress. So how we should manage stress? So it's normal. Stress is normal. It's happened due to some conditions. That is, if we are on office and our manager has given us task to finish that, there is a deadline. So it causes stress in our mind. But stress is on one side stress is useful also, and on the other side stress is harmful also. Little stress is useful as it helps us to prepare well for the deadline, to prepare well for the competition or the exam. And more stress is harmful as it makes our mind dull, makes make ourselves less responsible, make our health deteriorated. So we should know how to manage stress in life, because when there is a lot of stress in our life, our mind also not works properly, because if there will be healthy mind, there will be healthy body, and if there will be not healthy mind, there will be not healthy body. Though both are directly proportional to each other. So how to deal with that? So we should first find out the reason why we are getting stressed. If because of deadline or preparation, we have to plan our day. We have to make time management. We have to make proper time management and planning. For that, it will create less stress, because stress happens when the deadline is near and we have not planned our project well, and there is only 2 or 3 days left. So we will get stress. And if we previously plan for that before, then we will not get stress in life. So first thing to remove stress is planning and time management. Time management is really crucial part in life. It helps us to manage all things which are essential as well as all things which has more priority. So first thing is the planning and the time management, and second thing is to stop overthinking. When something happens to us, or when some competition or exam is there, we think that what will happen, what we have to do, and I have not done that. We should not think that. We should think that what I should do now, what is in my hand. We should think like that. So second thing is stop overthinking. Third thing is to do physical or mental exercise, because it is really essential in life, because as technology is increasing day by day, we as a human, we also have to improve ourselves day by day. We also have to update ourselves, because technology is really improving, and if we will not update ourselves, we will lag behind somewhere. So we should understand that we should keep care of our mental health as well, because continuously studying for students or continuously working for professional will definitely lead to stress. And if we will have proper time management, proper breaks in our work, and we will able to stop that stress which is harming ourselves. So we should have proper time management, stop overthinking. We should take care of our physical exercise as well as mental exercise, because it is necessary for our health, for our mind. So these were the things we should do to deal with stress. So I will conclude that whenever you feel stress, you just keep a long breath and exhale and inhale, and you can practice gratitude, you can practice journaling, you can practice physical exercise, any physical exercise for 1 or 2 hours. That will really help. And you can listen you can listen to music also, because music will help you to deal with stress, because music has that sound coordinates with our brain and it helps us to deal with stress. So that's all for today's video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.